Hello everyone. Today we have come up with another interesting internship opportunity at Electronic Arts. So Electronic Arts, that is EA, have invited the applicants to hire a software engineer intern in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Interested candidates can apply for this. As EA's first level dedicated to purely digital game, EA Mobile create games for mobile devices, social networks, and online environments that deliver seamless playtime anywhere or at any device. Connecting a market of more than 1 million core and mass casual gamers worldwide, EA All Play delivers engaging, accessible, high quality games to people of all skill levels and interests. So, for those of you who don't know what exactly EduBard is, so basically, EduBard is an online platform that helps you keep updated with the latest internship and job opportunities, as well as the free courses that are being provided by various institutions like IIM, IITs, or many more. So, just let's go to the official EA website. So, as I have already discussed, the location will be Hyderabad, Telangana, India. So we all know that the EA is the world's largest video game publisher, and you must be familiar with the titles like Madden, FIFA, The Sims, Need for Speed, Dead Space, Battlefield, and Star Wars, to name a few. And there are many more. So the responsibilities of the intern will be to develop the development of new games and related features, contribute to the evolvement of our existing games, maintain detailed design documentation throughout the project cycle. So, looking at the qualification, the applying candidate must hold a degree of BE, BTech, or MCA, exceptional analytical and problem-solving acumen, native application development experience on smartphones or mobile platform, expertly in additional than one among the subsequent platforms or programming languages, iOS SDKs and Objective C, Android SDK or NDK, and C++. Experience with Unity or Unreal Engine 3 development a plus. So this is the point that will help you give an upper edge over other candidates. So, and the most important of all, obviously, is you must be a game lover. You must be crazy about games. Now, looking at the benefits that this internship will be offering, a relaxed, supporting working atmosphere, the ability to figure out with your choice of OS, IDE, and tools, regular knowledge sharing sessions with a wide range of talented engineers, career progression and mentoring, a unique set of technical challenges to tackle, the opportunity to expand and grow as an engineer. So, as already discussed, this is an internship. The employment type is internship, and the location is Hyderabad, Telangana, India. And now let us look at some more details on the official EA website. So, the role overview that we have already discussed, and the responsibilities we have already discussed. So, are the qualifications, and these were the benefits. And about EA, everybody knows about EA. This is the world's largest game producer. At Electronic Arts, they exist to inspire the world to play. They create extraordinary new game experience for the millions of players everywhere by bringing together talented people that combine creativity, innovation, and passion. And you can be the part of this team. So, uh, now how can you apply? So, this is the official EduBard website. You can just scroll down and you can read all the details here, and then click on the for more. So, you can apply through this link, and yes, and then you can click on source, and this web page will appear, and then here you can apply for this role. Like, you can see the tab here, you can click on apply so that you can apply. So this was all for this video, and in case you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, just go and hit the subscribe button, and also click on the notification icon, bell icon, so that you will be notified as and every time the new video comes. Thank you.